In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to change the candle's color in TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView. And as you can see, I have here green for the bullish candles and red for the bearish candles. So to change that, all you have to do is click on this gear icon here at the top right, this one, and go to symbol. Make sure you are in symbol. Now we have here body, borders, and wick. These are for the bullish candles and these are for the bearish candles. Okay, so let's change that. So click on this one. And let's say, for example, I will change it to, let's say, yellow. Also for the border, I will change it also to yellow and the wicks also to yellow, like this. We have here the bearish candles. Let's say I will change it to, let's say, black, this one. Also the borders to black and the wicks to black. Then click on OK. And now, as you can see, I've changed the candle's color. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.